Welcome, this is Justin again, and we're at Newcastle Reservoir, one of my favorite lakes in southern Utah. And this is going to be a little bit different of a video because it primarily is drone footage. The reason for that is I did bring my fishing pole and fished, but halfway through fishing, I got sick, had to go home, thanks to Subway food poisoning. But anyway, actually, the last time I was at Newcastle, on the way home, I got hit by a semi-tractor trailer, rear-ended. So the last two times I've been here hasn't been very productive for me. But this is still one of my favorite lakes, and this is going to be a lake update. I know a lot of the lakes in Utah are drying out, and of course, Newcastle is low, as you can tell. The water is clear, probably lower to mid 80s, but there is also a lot of algae and weed growth underneath the surface, not on top of the surface, but underneath the surface. So if you're expecting to throw crankbaits, you're going to be picking weeds a lot if you visit Newcastle. By the way, this is August the 4th, 2021, and the lake is still fishable. In fact, a lot of good fish being caught in the lake. You can go there all the time and catch little smallmouth till you're blue in the face with various smaller lures and crankbaits and worms and grubs and Ned rigs and all of that kind of thing. Still some nice smallies being caught. Saw one report of just slaying the wipers. Saw the pictures from a guy. So there's some awesome fish being caught in Newcastle. In fact, the state record was caught back in April or May, I believe. So wasn't me, but it was somebody else. So that's pretty cool. A lot of good fish still at Newcastle. I know other lakes they've opened up for keeping more fish, harvesting more fish. I do not believe Newcastle is one of them. So check the Utah Department of Wildlife regulations for which lakes have opened up for keeping more fish. Follow those regulations and guidelines, and also the fish consumption advisories, because several of these Utah lakes have high mercury content. So, but Newcastle is still very fishable, especially for canoe, kayak, small boat. And on this trip, I saw some trout, small trout, jumping on the surface. So they're still active. I did find one big trout dead on the shoreline, unfortunately, about 21 inches. You can stay tuned to the actual fishing portion of this video at the end and see that. Probably just from low oxygen and high temperature. They're cold water fish. They're just not going to tolerate that high temperature water very much. So, but there's still some good fish being caught. So head out to Newcastle, have a good time, enjoy yourself. By the way, while you're out there, try to pick up some trash and leave it better than you found it. Every time I go to these beautiful, pristine lakes, I find trash and junk and cans. I even found an ugly mattress. So don't do that. You don't need to do that. Pack it in, pack it out. Keep the waters nice. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the fishing portion of this video. Get out to Newcastle. Smallie. This big old trout. That's sad to see. a good 20 inch or 21 incher. Rebel. I'll let somebody else have that one. Yeah, a little smaller. Oh, big old weed.